Let's be honest, if your breath stinks, people definitely know. They just aren't telling you to your face. So, why does our breath get so stinky, especially in the morning? The short answer is bacteria. See, your tongue isn't a smooth surface. It's covered in tiny little grooves, like hills and valleys. Throughout the day, these grooves trap all sorts of stuff, tiny food particles, dead cells, and a ton of bacteria. You know that white coating you sometimes see on your tongue? That's all of that buildup. And these bacteria don't just hang out, they eat. As they break down the proteins and debris in your mouth, they release something called volatile sulfur compounds. And that sulfur is what you, and everyone around you, can smell. So bad breath isn't just about dirty teeth. It's literally gas being produced by bacteria having a feast in your mouth. So, why is morning breath the absolute worst? It all comes down to saliva. Saliva is your mouth's natural, built-in cleaning system. When you're awake, you're producing a lot of it, and it's constantly rinsing your mouth and keeping those bacteria in check. But when you sleep, your saliva production drops way down. Less saliva means the bacteria can multiply like crazy overnight. More bacteria means more sulfur gas, and that's what creates that potent morning breath. It's not a disease, it's just biology. Now, here's the mistake most people make. They diligently brush their teeth but completely ignore their tongue. That's a huge problem, because most bad breath actually comes from the tongue, not the teeth. Brushing your teeth but not your tongue is kind of like taking a shower but completely skipping your armpits. You're going to have an issue. And the tricky part, you usually can't smell your own breath. Your brain just gets used to it. It's a phenomenon called sensory adaptation. It's like the smell of your own room. You don't notice it, but a visitor walks in and immediately does. Other people aren't used to your smell. So, how do you actually prevent normal, everyday bad breath? It's really simple, once you know the cause. First, brush your teeth twice a day. Second, and this is crucial, floss. Get that stuff out from between your teeth. Third, you have to clean your tongue. You can use a toothbrush or a dedicated tongue scraper. Fourth, stay hydrated. Drinking water helps rinse your mouth and boosts saliva. And finally, try not to constantly feed those bacteria with sugary snacks and sodas. A quick note on gum and mints. They are not a fix. They're just perfume for your mouth, masking the problem temporarily. Dealing with bad breath isn't about some dramatic cure. It's just about good maintenance. And once you understand what's really happening in there, it's incredibly easy to control. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button for more simple explanations that make everyday life make a lot more sense. Send this to someone like Rakai. Thanks for watching.